Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into how to create LVM using Ansible. Sounds fancy, but don't worry, I'll break it down for you. First, we'll get familiar with what LVM is and why it's awesome. Then, I'll show you how automation with Ansible makes things smooth like butter. Stick with me, and by the end, you'll be setting up LVM like a pro. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13 plus years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. All right, let's talk about LVM. Your best friend when it comes to managing storage efficiently. Imagine handling disk space like a puzzle. You can rearrange it easily, resize as needed, and even take snapshots. Sounds cool, right? No more hassle with fixed partitions. LVM is widely used in big IT environments, making life easier for system admins everywhere. Let's talk perks. LVM makes storage management a breeze. It lets you resize volumes, create snapshots for backups, and scale easily. No more stressing over rigid partitions or running out of space unexpectedly. It's like giving your system superpowers, and honestly, who doesn't want that? Automation is the name of the game, and Ansible plays it like a champ. It helps configure systems with simple YAML playbooks, no agents needed, just smooth, effortless management. If handling multiple servers feels like herding cats, Ansible keeps everything in line, making IT life way less chaotic. Before we start, let's check what we need. First, a Linux system, obviously. Then, installing the required packages and spotting available disks. Oh, and Ansible should be up and running because, well, it's our magic wand in this process. Step 1, installing packages. We need the LVM2 package. And of course, Ansible should be ready to roll. Verifying installation is key, because nothing's worse than troubleshooting mid-process. So double-check install and let's move ahead. Here's where the action starts, setting up physical volumes. We pick the right disks, use the Create command like pros, and check if everything is in place. It's like laying the foundation for a strong storage system, and trust me, you'll thank yourself later. Now comes the fun part, creating a volume group. Think of it as gathering all our storage pieces into a big box. We use Create, check everything, and make sure we've got plenty of space. Simple, right? Time to carve out logical volumes. Pick a size, give it a name, get creative, and execute Create. Think of it as slicing a cake. You decide the portions, make sure they're right, and get ready to serve. Final step, formatting. We choose a file system, ext4, XFS, your call. Run mkfs and check if it's good to go. Mount it, start using it, and voila, you've just mastered LVM. Mounting logical volumes is like reserving your favorite seat in a theater. It should be accessible whenever needed. We'll explore the basics, step through the mounting process, tackle common hiccups, and ensure our volumes persist across reboots. By the end, you'll mount LVs like a pro without breaking a sweat. Imagine setting up LVM manually every time. Sounds exhausting, right? Automation with Ansible is like setting a coffee machine to brew before you wake up. We'll cover the why, the how, and the magic behind automating LVM tasks, saving time while ensuring consistency across deployments. Ansible playbooks are like recipes. You follow the steps and voila, a perfectly configured LVM. We'll break down a sample playbook, explain the important configurations, run it live, and verify that everything works as intended. No cooking skills required, just a bit of YAML magic. Ever wished your hard drive space could magically grow? Well, with LVM, it practically can. We'll discuss when to resize, the steps to expand or shrink volumes, and best practices to avoid data disasters. No wizardry, just solid LVM skills. LVM management isn't just set and forget. It's an ongoing relationship. Like keeping a garden thriving, you need structure, monitoring, backups, and snapshots. Let's explore practical tips that keep your storage efficient and reliable without the weeds. We've conquered LVM like champions. From mounting to automation, resizing, and best practices, you're now armed with the knowledge to tackle real-world storage challenges. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and remember, A well-managed LVM is a happy LVM. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.